Welcome to the Boating Adventure Community Update number 8. I hope that you've all had a very good Christmas and managed to avoid all of the flu bugs that have been doing the rounds. Certainly my neighbours opposite who subscribe to the channel, they certainly were ill during the Christmas period, and my daughter spent her Christmas day in bed with the flu. My next video will be published on Saturday the 31st of December 2022, but instead of coming out at 8 AM in the morning, it will be published at 11:30 PM at night, and it will be preceded by a 2-minute countdown. It will come from the northwestern seaside resort of Blackpool, and tomorrow I will be travelling up there so that I'm there for the live premiere of this video. Just before 12 o'clock we'll go over to the Swamp Duck for the ringing in of the new year. So please come and join me to see in 2023. So thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.